Ever think a kitchen gadget could teach us about teamwork? Well, let's dive into a fun little story. Meet our hero, little lettuceleaf. Right now, she's totally bogged down by some heavy water drops. It's a real soggy dilemma. She literally sighs, "Oh no, I can't join the salad bowl looking like this." But wait, the friendly salad spinner swoops in to help. He cheerfully calls out, "Hop inside, I'll help you." So they team up. Spinning round and round, they build enough kinetic energy to totally conquer that wet problem. Look at that instant transformation. By working together, the leaf comes out fresh, completely dry, and perfectly crispy. Now, giggling with joy, she's super grateful. "Thank you. Working together absolutely solved my problem," she cheers. So, why does this actually matter to us? Well, it proves teamwork makes our hardest tasks so much easier. And this vibe echoes across cultures. The Subhashita, an ancient text, beautifully captures this exact same collaborative spirit. It grounds our kitchen story in a profound, universal truth. The translation? In unity, there is absolutely strength.
So, as we wrap this up, think about it. Who are you going to team up with for your next difficult task?